I'm back at Deb's again. This is day 3 of packing up her kitchen. Probably more food and stuff, but we'll go inside and see what needs to be done. Before we start decluttering or packing anything out of the kitchen cabinets, I thought I'd do a quick before here. And I see she has a lot more food stuff, you know, sauces and spices and oils. And yeah, there's more plates and stuff here, but compared to everything else, yeah, all mostly food stuff up there. And now we'll do a before of down below. As you can tell, this cabinet here is also full of food stuff. Now the drawers here are somewhat organized, and yeah, no. Oh, a lot more spices and plastic baggies and stuff, and more spices and barbecue stuff, tongs and foil and that kind of stuff. So all basically organized. So I don't know if she's going to get rid of any of that stuff. I always recommend that people go through their stuff at least once a year, as you know. I thought I should have a look in this cabinet too, because as I suspected, there is more stuff. This is mostly baking things. I opened the door and all these packets fell out, so they're going to have to go back in. And yeah. Well, she won't go hungry. Of course, we still have some spices and cookbooks on this side. You know, she's already packed away the ones that were on the other side. Right, Misha? So here we have the cabinets to begin with today, as I just showed you. Isn't that amazing? She did that. And this cabinet here, all those extra oils and vinegars already put away. I think I showed you this last week. If not, this was done last week. And we have this cabinet to clean out here. Of course, all the food stuff here. And she already started with the cutlery there as well. And we also have to finish cleaning this out, which is got more food stuff. I was just snooping in this little box that Deb had packed, and this top was sticking out. And I was thinking, that's pretty dangerous for somebody. So we're gonna take that out. There's a little bit of oil, not very much, unfortunately. We're going to dump that, and then this can be packed properly so that it won't be stabbing anybody. Okay, so Bella's packed here. She's going to make sure she's going too. I finished cleaning out the all the baking stuff in there. So we just have the drawers to do that. And I'm going to finish packing up all these cans, leaving some stuff that she's going to be needing while she's here. And there's some things she's going to pass on to her son, and some things she bought for her granddaughter and her grandson. So we're not going to pack those away either. Okay, so this is all cleaned out. I've given it a quick wipe. We'll probably have to do it again because dust and cat hair, you know. We've left a few things out that she's still going to be using, but everything else is packed away from there. And over here, again, she's just kept a few things out that she's planning on using up there, and the same with up here. Everything else has been packed away. Yeah, didn't do anything in there today. So, yeah. It's already 4 o'clock. Well, 4:04. So, unfortunately, we did find some things that needed to go in the compost, in the recycling, that were long expired. But we did okay. So I just thought I should show you all the boxes that we did today. This one here, and all of these, and Deb actually did these. before I came. So pretty good. I did want to mention though, I tried to remember, I forgot on this one, to label on the top as well as all the sides, because depending on where the movers grab it, it's good to be able to see the label so they know which room or location it's got to go in. So anyway, that's it for today, and I hope you got some good tips here, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in the next one.